For AIS today, you'll be working on 8 probability questions within your mini groups during AIS, or by yourself silently working on your own. For number 1, a box contains 6 balls and 4 white balls. What's the probability of selecting a black ball at random? So first you gotta say, I have 6 black balls and 4 white. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. So it's a total of 10. From knowing that, you can cross out those 2 choices. Now how many black are there? There are 6. So it's 6 out of 10, and there's your answer. We go over number 2. According to the weather report, there's 25% chance of snow in the mountains tomorrow. Which phrase best describes the likelihood of snow in the mountains tomorrow? You need to think 25%. You have 0 through 1. Think about what a 0 is, what represents 1. So this would be 0%, 100%, and where these 4 words fall here. For number 3, the faces of a cube are numbered 1 through 6. What's the probability of not rolling a 5? It's very important, not rolling a 5. So figure out what the probability of a 5 is, and then figure out your probability of not 5, and you will get your answer. A bag contains 8 green marbles, 5 white marbles, and 2 red marbles. What's the probability of drawing a red? So you need to do 8 plus 5, because you have 8 green, 5 white, and 2 red. And it gets you 15. So you know your answer is going to be out of 15. So by knowing that, cross out number 3. Now, how many reds are there? You realize there are 2 reds. 2 out of 15. A 6-sided cube with 1 through 6 marked on it. What's the probability of a number less than 3? So you just need to think of what numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many numbers are less than 3? I don't think you need my help. If the probability of a spinner landing on red in a game is 1/5, what's the probability of not landing on red? So red equals 1/5. What's not red? Then I'm going to tell you this hint. Whatever you get, divide it. I'm going to give you this hint. It's going to be something divided by 5. Take your decimal and turn it into a percent. Casey purchased a package of assorted flowered seeds and planted them in her garden. When the first 25 flowers bloomed, 11 were white, 5 were red, 3 were blue, and the rest were yellow. What's the empirical probability that the flowers will bloom is yellow? We don't know yellow. And this is empirical probability. So you're going according to the experiment. So add up your 11 plus 5 plus 3 gets you 18. You knew there was a total of 25. So you need to do something with the 18 and the 25 to figure out how many yellows there were. And finally, a fair coin is tossed 10 times. It landed heads up 7 times. What's the probability on the 8th toss it will land on heads? Oh, I'm sorry, it will land on tails. All you need to ask yourself is, what's the probability of landing on tails? Good luck, and please do your homework tonight.